Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Apollo Walker camping chair for adults with 6 legged beach chair with footrest and it's adjustable 90 degrees. Wow, until 135 degrees reclining lounge chair for outdoor use. It's a folding chair for the outside area with a detachable pillow and a carry bag. And I think it's a little bit black gray. It's also in orange available on the market. We have here an ergonomic design because the adjustable reclining backrest design provides stable and comfortable support for our back and legs. This reclining camping chair features a 90 up to 135 degrees adjustable backrest. This offering an optimal support for our back and legs, ensuring our experience ultimate comfort. Additionally, we can adjust the backrest angle as needed to achieve a more comfortable posture. The durable and stable construction makes it possible because that folding beach chairs is constructed with 30 steel framing and a skid-proof and wear-resistant bottom. It features 6 support points at its leg, which are more stable than the 4 supported points of other recliners on the market. This making them less likely to tip over. Increasing the load bearing capacity can also enhance the comfort. The maximum load bearing capacity can reach over 330 pounds. And convenient features. They have carefully equipped this camping lounge chair with a pillow, a cup holder, and a side pocket. This allowing us to easily access drinks and personal items. It provides a convenient storage space for drinks we are going to consume while we are at the beach, for example. Additionally, the sponge pillow can be added or removed according to our needs. This chair is perfect for various activities such as camping, picnics, beach trips, travel, fishing, and for even serving as a comfortable nap chair in the garden or at the office. And convenient storage and portability because this beach lounge chair can be instantly set up and fold without required assembly. This making it easy to use. The folded size is only 35.5 to 6 to 8 inches and it weighs only 11 pounds. This makes it very convenient to carry. The chair comes with a storage bag, simplifying our travel preparations and ensure that we are ready for the pleasant hike. Wherever we go, it provides ultimate comfort. And this outdoor lounge chair is crafted from thick 100D Oxford fabric. This offering a soft and breathable feel while maintaining exceptionally durability and load-bearing capacity. Designed for long-term outdoor use, this fabric resists the wear and the tear, ensuring the lasting comfort. It is easy to clean surface, simplifies maintenance, and keeping the chair fresh and extending its lifespan too. You see, we have a 90 up to 135 degrees reclining camping chair. We can choose a position that we suit for relax, sleep, or solid and stable support. We have a detachable pillow. We have an adjustable armrest. We have a storage bag and a cup holder. All that is included, baby. Easy peasy, we can adjust the backrest easy. We adjust the downward, we adjust the upward by getting that in position and relax after that. We have a cup holder, a storage bucket, adjustable armrest, a removable pillow, and a nice recliner with adjustable backrest. And we can have a chill out area for ourselves, where we need it, where we like it. And it comes from a Paul Walker. They define outer relaxation through design and compromise comfort. Born from a passion of seamless escapes, the foldable long chairs are engineered for those who demand both elegance and utility, without belonging as a sun, drenches, chores, or nastily quiet solution of the wilderness. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me a positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.